These Italian Brainrots are pulling in millions of views right now. This is happening both on TikTok and YouTube, and the crazy part is they are super simple to create. These are basically short, chaotic, animated characters, crocodiles, sharks, hybrid creatures saying absurd Italian phrases alongside strange AI visuals. Topics like nonsense one-liners, weird catchphrases, and chaotic personalities are what's trending right now. If you want to start creating these kind of videos and begin uploading them on your preferred social media platform, here is exactly how we're going to do it in less than 10 minutes, step by step. I will also show you how to use Clipwire's new series feature, which lets you automate the entire publishing process. It's one of the easiest ways to stay consistent while scaling your content. The first thing you need to do is come over to Clipwire's AI. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can easily have access to it. All you have to do is click on sign up to create your account. That's if you do not already have an account. If you already have an account, just click on create your first video. Once you sign up, it will bring you to this clean interface. Scroll down a little and you will find the video agents. These video agents inside Clipwise basically automates the whole process for you. You don't need to design a character, animate scenes, or write a script from scratch. All you just have to do is give it an idea and it builds the character, the voice, and the entire video for you. So we will select the Italian Brainrot agent and we'll see the agent uploaded here. Now, in this prompt box, this is where you need to drop your idea. It can be something basic like a crocodile selling fake watches or something more specific. You do not need anything complicated to start. You can also grab ideas from the pre-made prompt suggestions if you are stuck. For this tutorial, I already had an idea in mind, so I'll just cast it here. A billionaire pigeon holding a microphone at a press conference, confidently announcing, "My lawyer is a cucumber." Highly detailed, surreal comedy scene. From there, here we need to select a preferred language. I'll leave it to English. Here on auto, we need to select a specific duration. I'll leave it to auto. And on the aspect ratio, I'll leave it to vertical, which is 9:16. Very good for YouTube Shorts and TikTok Reels. On the style here, I'll leave it empty just like this. And on additional setting, we can choose the tone. This has to be humorous. And on the audience, I'll leave it to general. Once that is done, all we have to do is hit general. And it's going to open in the planning page. Here we'll be able to see our production plan. We'll be able to see the language and the entire duration together with the agent that we selected. We can also check how the scene flows from the first one to the final one together with the narration. If everything is correct, all we have to do is click on Approve Plan. After that, it will display more options. The first one, we need to select the visual style that we are going for. There are quite a number of visual styles that we can select, and when we click on View All, we'll be able to see more options that we can go for depending with a type of a story that we are telling. I'll close this tab and I'll leave it to highly detailed, surreal comedy scenes. After that, we need to choose a voice that brings our script to life. Again, when we click on the View All option, we'll be able to see more options that we can select from. We can filter this by age, gender, tone, and language, but I'll leave everything to default, close this page, and finally we need to choose a track or a music sound that will blend in with the video that we are creating. Always ensure that you take your time when selecting the music for your video, because music sometimes can break or bring your video to life. Once you're done, ensure that you turn on this button to keep characters look consistent throughout the video. And finally, we'll be able to see how our character looks. When we click on the edit button here, we can be able to see the prompt that was used to generate the character. We can regenerate. That's if we do not like this character. We can also upload our own character image. That's if we created our own custom character. I'll just leave mine fine the way it is and close this tab. Once I've checked everything and I'm happy with how everything looks, I'll hit create scenes and our scenes will start generating. Now, this is exactly where we can easily customize our entire video. This is where we can change the caption, the music, the transitions, and adding other elements. That's if we want to. Not only that, when we play through the video, we'll observe that only images have been generated, but we do not want that. We want to convert this into a video. So all we have to do is click on this button that says convert all scenes to video. But before we do that, we need to select a mode that we're going to use. I'll go for Dance Pro, though it consumes a bit of credits, but I'll just select that and click on convert all scenes to video. You can also find it at the top here. I'll just click on it and my images will be converted into a video. And when we play the video, this is exactly how it looks.
My lawyer is a cucumber.
Let me know what you think about this in the video description below. I would love to hear from you, except we cannot have the lip sync. This is one of the challenges I have observed while using it. Let's try and lip sync everything. Select a video clip or a scene where your character needs to say something, and here in the creatives button you'll see the prompt box which was used to convert your image into a video. Here it says the pigeon slowly leans forward towards the microphone, opening and closing its beak as if speaking. The camera zooms in gently. Now we want this pigeon to speak and say something. So here where it says opening and closing its beak as if speaking, we will say and says. The pigeon slowly leans forward towards the microphone, opening and closing its beak and speaks, saying, "My lawyer is a cucumber," and it laughs. The camera gently zooms in. Then under duration here, we will set it to 6 seconds. We can also go for 7 seconds, but we'll just leave it to 6 seconds and hit regenerate.
My lawyer is a cucumber.
Even after that, we will still not have a perfect lip sync. Now, once your video is ready to be exported, all you have to do is click on the export button here and your video will start exporting. Now, here is exactly how you can automate the entire publishing process. All you have to do is click on create a series and it's going to open in this new tab. All you have to do from here is to select a specific agent that describes the type of videos you want to be creating. Do you want the sports trending videos, or these flow recreation, or the vegetable stories? Once you select your agent, all you have to do is click on next to choose a topic. From here we can paste in our topic or go with any of these premier topics. As you can see, 5 topics have been selected, meaning we can create 5 different videos at a go. All I have to do is click on next, which takes me to the schedule button, and in this page, this is where we insert the language, the duration for our video, the format we're going for, and the style of our video, the tone, and the audience we are targeting. We also insert the voice we are going to use, and we ensure that this convert image to video button is turned on. When we scroll down a little bit, we select a model we're going to use to generate our videos in, and down here we'll be able to see all the topics that we have. Now, this is where you can connect your YouTube account. Also, very soon you'll be able to connect your Instagram. That's if you want to be publishing on Instagram. Just click on the connect button and select an email address that has a YouTube account you want to be publishing these videos to. And down here, you need to select what Clipwise can access. Is it to manage your YouTube videos or view your YouTube account? I highly recommend you only get this access, where it can only upload videos to our YouTube account. And I highly recommend you only do this if you trust Clipwise. Once that is done, all you have to do is click on continue. Once you are done, when we scroll down here, you'll be able to see exactly when your first video will go live, your second video, your third your third video, your fourth, and your fifth video. And all you have to do is click on done, and your videos will start being uploaded on your YouTube channel. Now, I highly recommend you connect your account to Clipboard if you truly trust it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, if you want to learn how you can create amazing AI animated dialogue scenes, check out this next tutorial that walks you through the entire process step by step. From here, God bless you. Now, Clipwise offers 3 subscription plans based on your video creation needs. The starter plan, $25 per month, is ideal for beginners, offering up to 40 static image videos and 1,200 credits. The creator plan, $39 per month, is the best value, with up to 200 videos per month, including 80 Hollywood-style videos, 2,400 credits, and voice cloning. The business plan, $63 per month, is designed for high-volume creators, offering up to 625 videos and 3,750 credits. Premium videos use 1 credit per second, while standard videos don't use credits.